is Tuesday, the 5th of May. The market just opened up, and as you can see, the market gapped lower. All right. So this is where it closed, opened right in here. This was a big bar, traded lower, and if we take it a little further, we can see that we tried to fill that gap from the prior day right in here. So okay, right there, filled it a little bit in here, and then closed about mid-range. So I threw in a limit order to go long, and this is where I'm filled right there. This is where it closed yesterday. So my profit target on this trade is going to be slightly below that. I'm going to go right in here and have a limit order sitting at 2108 and a quarter right there. 2108 and a quarter. It closed yesterday 2109 and a quarter. I'm going to go a full point below where it closed and look for the fill after that. So I'm going to take off. Let's see. Right now, so far we're up about 312. Again, I got a small position. As you can see over here, we've got 5. Okay. I was actually going to leg into this. I got in here. If it came down a little lower, I would have bought more, anticipating market coming back up, trying to fill that gap. Here we are. Look at this. Whoa, look at that. So you know what I'm going to go ahead and do? I'm going to go ahead and take all of it off. I didn't throw it off. I'm talking. Sell 5. Let's say on strength here. Let's go. Let's sell 5 into this.
Order fill.
There we go, folks. Look at that. Quick trade. That was about 3-minute long trade. As you can see here, we made $687 on 5. So again, rhyme and reason behind every single thing I do. And again, we had an opportunity. We got the gap lower, right? We closed here. We opened up lower. I watched the first 2.5 minutes of trading. Again, my preferred time frame for intraday trading, for day trading, right? For execution purposes is a 3-minute chart, even though I understand the context of the market, right? The overall trend, the last couple of days, the prior days, the last half-hour trend, all of that stuff I take into consideration. And I've gotten a lot of blog comments asking, well, don't you take into consideration the Globex, the overnight session? Yes, I do. I do look at that data. But for the most part, when the market opens, I'm only looking at the prior day because I've already done my analysis of the Globex market, and that helps me determine what I'm going to do in the first few minutes of trading if and when it sets up. And today set up beautifully. Okay, again, opened up lower, watched that, the first 2.5 minutes of price action, reading the tape, right? Again, I've been trading these markets for almost 30 years, the S&Ps, and so I've got a feel for it, and so I can show you the same thing. So again, market opened up lower, watched the first few minutes of trading, threw in a limit order in right here, almost mid-range. If it came down a bit lower right in here, I would have bought more. Again, all in anticipation of the market coming back up and filling that gap. Okay? And when I say fill the gap, come back to the prior day's close. This is where it closed. This is the last print of yesterday, right in here. Opened up lower, so we had a nice move to the upside. And so I was being a little conservative, taking profits a little early. But then, of course, I was doing the video, and it just rallied and took profits. And again, not bad, $687.50 in the first literally 4 or 5 minutes of trading, okay? Hope that helps, and I will be back with you later. Bye for now.